Hello everyone, let's go over an introduction to electromagnetic radiation. So let's start by giving some background. Light is a kind of electromagnetic wave, also called electromagnetic radiation. Classical physics says that light is a transverse wave that propagates in a direction with oscillating electric and magnetic fields that are perpendicular to each other and perpendicular to the direction of motion of the light. Modern physics has shown us that light is actually a particle that behaves like a wave, and this particle of light is called a photon. So think of light, or radiation, as a small, massless particle that oscillates like a wave. In a vacuum, light travels at almost 300 million meters per second, and this is often referred to as the speed of light. This is also the speed limit of the universe, as currently we believe nothing can travel faster than light in a vacuum. However, if light is traveling through a medium such as water, it will travel slower than this. The energy of a photon depends on its frequency or wavelength, with higher frequency photons having more energy. Different ranges of photon energies have been given names, such as X rays, infrared, and microwaves. These different energy ranges make up the electromagnetic spectrum. Visible light is just photons with wavelengths of about 380 to 750 nanometers. Higher energy photons are called ionizing radiation because they have enough energy to ionize atoms or molecules by detaching electrons from them. Less energetic radiation is called non ionizing because it does not have enough energy to ionize atoms and molecules. Electromagnetic radiation is everywhere in our day to day lives, with countless sources. However, the underlying physics behind why these sources emit the radiation is usually because of heat, accelerating or deaccelerating charges, electrons transitioning to different energy levels in atoms, or nuclear decay. Electromagnetic radiation has countless uses, and our everyday life depends on it in more ways than you realize, such as using a microwave to heat up food, using your cell phone, or medical imaging. So, to conclude, light is a particle called a photon that behaves as a wave, and we often refer to it as electromagnetic radiation. The frequency, or wavelength, determines the energy of the photon, and the electromagnetic spectrum classifies the different energy ranges. Starting at the high ultraviolet range, photons have enough energy to ionize atoms and molecules by detaching electrons from them, and, as such, they are called ionizing radiation.